Need to restore from a Genie Backup Manager job and have a GWB file? These define backup jobs and configurations for Genie's backup software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Genie Backup Manager backup job files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn GWB files. A GWB file stores backup job settings and configurations for Genie Backup Manager. Users create this file to save and schedule specific backup tasks, including source files, destination, and compression options. It allows for the easy rerunning of complex backup jobs without reconfiguring them each time. This is a proprietary binary file containing structured data that defines a backup job. It's designed to be small and efficient, holding pointers and settings rather than the actual backed up data. This separation allows the software to manage multiple jobs and schedules without loading large datasets into memory. The specialized program designed to handle GWB is Genie Backup Manager by Genie 9. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows can't interpret backup metadata or structure, so specialized restore software must open it. The quickest way to solve this is testing. Right-click your GWB file, then choose Open With. You should start with Genie Backup Manager if it's installed. If not, try another option, as some programs are better suited than others. If your GWB file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now, let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, opening in Genie Backup Manager. Install Genie Backup Manager from Genie 9 and use the application's job management interface to load GWB files. The application restores the complete backup job configuration, enabling immediate execution, modification, or scheduling. Compatible Genie Backup Manager versions are needed for proper file format recognition. Next, restoring backed up data. Use Genie Backup Manager's Restore Wizard to recover files from backups created by GWB job configurations. Browse the backup destination, select files for restoration, and choose target locations. The restoration process is the primary purpose of backup jobs, especially after system failures or accidental file deletions. Finally, migrating to modern backup. Consider modern backup solutions like Veeam Acronis True Image or built-in Windows Backup for ongoing data protection. Document GWB backup configurations including sources, schedules, and destinations. Then recreate equivalent jobs in your new backup software for continuity of data protection workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.